this is bothersome to me listening to this clip. Ironically, because of tone. I don't like M's tone in expressing
that he doesn't like the tone.
Yeah,
you don't like his tone about the tone?
I didn't like his tone before he got to that part. And you could hear it's not something that he really wanted to do. It's kind of the same way I felt when he was responding to me through them interviews and songs. Like it didn't sound like that was something you wanted to do, but just did it. It's like
as far as addressing it or addressing it in an interview.
Addressing it existing, having to address it, the fact that all of this exists, it sounds like it's worrisome for him. That's how it sounds. And then he says it wasn't any of that, which means it was all of that. And he gets to it was the tone, and that's where I just have a huge issue in hip hop and hip hop critiquing and culture critiquing or whatever the fuck you want to call it now. Are we tone policing?
I think you can when you're somebody
because that's exactly what that says.
Oh wait,
I'm not mad at that existing. You good, Rory?
Yeah, well, I was gonna respond, but go ahead because I know it's.
I'm not mad at what you saying. As humans, instinctually, we would feel something if our friend or someone we were closely affiliated with did that. Cool. When you say it publicly, it sounds like bullshit. Like him saying, "Yo, I don't have a problem with all the people you put ahead of me in your top 10 and you not listening to my shit." Like, that was cool. No, it wasn't.
Why do you say no, it wasn't?
Because he had a problem with it.
I don't think he had no problem with that.
Tone matters with my friends.
I think he did.
No, but he said
I heard the tone part. I think that's a lazy scapegoat. I think it's true, but I also think it's a lazy scapegoat.